Thank you so much for joining us this week for our Monastery Virtual Open Doors in support of a sister and our community as we continue to minister while sheltered in place. We hope that joining us has been a real blessing for you and has brought you joy and peace. In closing, our community has chosen to pray a blessing over each of you.
Loving God, through the intercession of our founder, St. Benedict, we ask you to make all things new. Bring hope to our heart and cause our spirit to be renewed in your love. May all who journey with us as friend, relative, spiritual companion, or acquaintance feel your presence and have renewed faith in you during these times of trial and need. Bless our world, your great creation, in its springtime of growth. Along with all my sisters, we ask, dear God, in a special way to bless all with your infinite love and care. Bring hope and peace to all who support and journey with us today and into the future that is yours to give. We ask this in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Loving God, we thank you for the gift of our Benedictine monastic vocation. We thank you for calling us to seek you with one another in community. At this time of social distancing, may we be aware of our spiritual closeness with all who seek you, our oblates, associates, family members, benefactors, prayers, and with all those who have asked for our prayers. We ask your blessing on all who seek you. Remind us of the mutual blessing we encounter in our relationships. Bless us so that we may serve as your blessing to the world. We ask this in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.